Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. First, let me introduce myself. This is Mohammad Shahad Hussain, lecturer in English, Chandina Radwan Ahmed University College, Chandina, Kumilla. Dear student, hope you are keeping fine. You are following the rules of health and you are utilizing your time. You are mature enough to understand the importance of time. Now, dear student, the topic which I am going to share with you is a drama named Riders to the Sea. Riders to the Sea is a very short play, particularly it's a one-act play. It is a tragedy. It is one of the greatest tragedies in English literature. It's not a tragedy of personal conflict. It is not a tragedy of hamartia of the protagonist. It is not a tragedy of ambition. It is not a tragedy of bloodshed. Rather, it is a tragedy of nature, like all other Greek tragedies. The play is set in Aran Island, in Ireland, like all other plays of John Billington Singh. The play is noted for capturing the poetic dialogue of the rural Ireland. Now I would like to tell you about the background of the drama. John Billington Singh was encouraged by his friend and W.B. Yeats, another literary giant of Irish Ireland, and hence accordingly he visited the island 4 times, and during summer, and this drama was the output of his practical experience. Dear student, now I like to tell you about the characters of the drama. Maria is the central character of the drama. She is the protagonist of the drama. She is mother of 8 children. Among them, 2 are daughters and 6 are male children. His name of her 2 daughters are Kathleen and Nora, and name of her 6 sons are Bartley, Michael, Shimon, Patch, Seamus, Stephen. Except Bartley, we can see all other male members of our family are seen to be died before the beginning of the drama, including her husband. We can see another off-stage character. His name is Priest. He is young in age, and though she is a natural object, but she is seen to play a star role in the drama, and she is the antagonist of the drama, while Maria is the protagonist of the drama. Now I like to tell you the theme of the drama. The theme of the drama is the conflict between religion, superstition, and nature. The personnel of the drama are devoted to God, and they also believe superstition, and they are the puppet of the cruel nature. At this time, I like to share with you the brief summary of the drama. The play opens in a cottage industry. Kathleen, a girl of 20, was seen to bake a cake for her family. In the meantime, her younger sister Nora comes with a bundle. In the bundle, there is a piece of clothing. The piece is handed over to her by young priest. The piece of cloth, Michael has not been found for 9 days. Perhaps this piece of cloth belonged to Michael. Anyway, and now Nora asks Kathleen where their mother is. Kathleen answers that their mother is on sleep. Nora tells her sister that they should not awake her mother because she is now grief-stricken. She cannot sleep for several days because of thinking of the sad condition of Michael. Now after several times, Maria comes, and Nora and Kathleen informs her that Bartley, their brother, only surviving brother, is going to mainland to sell red pony and grey pony and red mare. But Maria thinks that he will not go because the weather is not favorable. But Bartley is adamant to go to the mainland to sell for the purpose of business. But Maria hopes that young priest will dissuade him from going to the journey. But after a few minutes, Bartley comes. Bartley takes the several things which are necessary for the journey, and then he gets ready and leaves the house. But after his departure, Kathleen can remember that they do not give the recently baked cake to Bartley. So Kathleen advises Moria to hand over the cake to Bartley, and Moria is forgetful to give her blessing to Bartley at the time of her departure, and that is why now Moria leaves to hand over the cake to Bartley. And when Moria try to follow Bartley, then she can see that Bartley is on red mare, and behind the Bartley, Michael is on grey pony. This may be an hallucination, but seeing the hallucination, Moria thinks that there is something evil waiting for Bartley. She comes with bemoaning, and now she is seen to be out of her mind. Kathleen and Nora cannot understand what happens to her. Then she is lamenting and bemoaning that she has seen the most pathetic sight she has ever seen. At first, they could not understand the two sisters could not understand the matter. Then they ask her mother about the detail. Then her mother says that she has seen Bartley in the red mare, and behind Michael they are on grey pony. She thought that Bartley will not live further. She like all other male members of her family, she will die. After a few minutes, some man and woman came with a coffin, and then some old women and men are come with Bartley's dead body. Then Moria find that her only dead body, only surviving son. Now she is mostly grief stricken. She thinks that there is nobody on earth, no male members on earth in the family to console her. She is very old. It is natural to leave the old at first, and then leave the young person. But in the drama, we can see that all the male members and all the young person left, leaving the old mother behind. And now she has become very stoic. And she thinks that no man can be living forever. So they must be satisfied. And she is satisfied that she can bury the Bartley, and she can pray Bartley for his decent burial. And now she is satisfied. She consoles herself, saying that no man can be living forever, so they must be satisfied. Actually, this is a great tragedy. It's a tragedy of old woman. It's a tragedy of passions. Dear student, I will take another online class on after a few days. So you should go through the drama, and you should learn. You should go through the brief discussion of the drama. Anyway, dear student, thank you very much for participating in my class. Bye.